What is going on, YouTube? My name is Kyle. You've made it to Obsessed Auto, and today I'm going to teach you a detail hack that you may or may not know. I don't know if it's a hack. I'm going to teach you the best tire shine that I found. I guess that's a hack. I don't know. I've spent a lot of money. So you can use my money to save yourself money. Anyways, here is the application we're going to be using it on today. I just washed this dune buggy up, cleaned the tires, did a decon on it, whatever, and it looks pretty good. But as you can tell, you know, the rubber on it is just rubber. So what I have today is a product made by Superior Products called CoverAll. This is literally the simplest tire shine I've ever used in my life. Aerosol can, shake it, pull the trigger. Obviously my tires are wet. You should not have wet tires when you do this. Done. CoverAll, no wiping, no drips, no runs, no mess. Let's see, stock number is F96. You can get this at your local O'Reilly's. I don't know who else has it. Yeah, online, superiorproducts.com, I think. Yep, right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a towel. I'm gonna clean off the water off the back tire. We're gonna shoot it and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, might as well bring you guys along for the ride. It only takes a half a second. Green microfiber towel. Got the tire right here. No water on the sidewall. Doesn't look too bad right now, but it's about to look a whole lot better. Done. So anyways, this is my hack. Very short video for you. If you did like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Drop that like button. I appreciate every single one of those that I get. It means that I did something that is beneficial for you. If you did like this, please share it. I mean, who doesn't like a green dune buggy with a green microfiber towel? I mean, green everywhere. Green grass? Jeez, green with envy? No, probably not. Anyway, so yeah, share this video if you think somebody will find it helpful. If you do like content like this, you like the way I do things, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell on the side. Do custom notifications, all notifications, up to you. But yeah, I would definitely appreciate a subscription to the channel because I am working to put out good content for you guys. Thanks for watching. As always, have a great day.